Hi friends, I'm Sunima and she is my inner thought.
Hi,
So, where should I go today for my vlogging?
Bindu. It's a nice place.
Okay, let's go to Bindu viewers. Let's go.
So guys, this is the spot Bindu. We are going to spend some time here and hope it will be a great time for us, isn't it?
Yeah, of course. This is the dam and it lies in the Indo-Bhutan border and it is on the Joldhaka river.
So it's a hill river and this river is one of the major rivers of Duars area.
Hey guys, I'm just sitting on a stone and I'm enjoying the freshly wind of this river. It's Joldhaka river actually, and I'm enjoying the cool breeze of it.
Guys, we are spending a good time here. It is approx 93 kilometers from Siliguri. And guys, can you see the land behind us? Yellow houses are there. It's a part of Bhutan. It's a Indo-Bhutan border, and behind us the house you can see, guys, it's Bhutan territory. This place is quite amazing as a tourist spot. It's a picnic spot. You can spend good time. There are various homestays there. Will you want to say something?
Yeah, of course. I must say that if you are planning to enjoy the nature here, so if you are not from Siliguri or from nearby places, then you must come here. You should stay here in the homestays. Then you will enjoy it better than the coming and going.
The road is not maintained now. Quite rough road are there, but it's a wonderful experience to come here. Especially, it's very nice to get in, to come in together.
Nice get together.
A very nice together it is. We are standing in Indian territory, but can see the Bhutan territory also. So, so guys, you can see it's a stony river, and she is enjoying the scenic beauty here. Guys, you can see there is a very large stone. This place is full of such a stones. So yes, that one. And the sound of the river is sweet, delicious, and this sonorous scenic beauty is really enjoyable because of the sound of the river. Continuous the sound is flowing here. So it's really give us such a different flavor. It's a quiet from the city life. There is no such sound which is familiar in our city life, but a sound is still there. It's the sound of the river, but it is not disturbing. It's such a wonderful. It's like a background music. So I am unable to sing, but I am a very good listener. But she can sing. So there is still a background music is still playing, and this background music is being played by the nature. So I am requesting her to sing a song in this such a wonderful place. So make the place more wonderful to me.
अब मोरी नैया पार करोगे, अब मोरी नैया पार करोगे, हजरत निजामुद्दीन आलिया, हजरत निजामुद्दीन आलिया, अब मोरी पार करोगे, अब मोरी नैया पार करोगे, अब मोरी नैया पार करोगे, दुख दरिद्र सब दूर करना हार, तान रस खान के जो खबरिया, गंज सकला के लाडला रैया, अब मोरी नैया पार करोगे, अब मोरी नैया, मोरी नैया, अब मोरी नैया, अब मोरी नैया पार करोगे. If you really like it, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. These chocolates are imported from Bhutan, so it's very great in taste. I already have tasted this. This is really very, very yummy.